Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove Family Link from a child's account. Alright, let's begin. First, open any browser of your choice. I am using Chrome. In the search bar, type myaccount.google.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look at the left menu and select People and Sharing. Next, click on Manage your family group. You will see a list of accounts connected to your family group. Choose the child account you want to remove. After selecting the account, click Remove Member. At this point, Google will ask for verification to make sure it's really you making the change. Complete the verification process, then click Remove again to confirm. The child's account will now be removed from your Family Link group. This means they will no longer be under parental supervision or restrictions within that account. So that's basically how you can remove Family Link from a child's account. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.